I was going to wear this festive headband I got from Poundland, but you can't even see it in the frame. So what is the point? I don't know. Hi guys, and welcome to another video from me this week. It is unexpected because I didn't expect the next kitchen box to come so early, and it's currently the 28th of November, and usually the box comes around the 4th or 5th of the next month. But I'm not complaining. I'm very, very happy this box has arrived early. I presume it's because everyone in the factory is concentrating more on the Christmas side of things in the actual shops and online. So they want to give us our boxes a bit early. So it is the Christmas December box this month. I'm not going to explain the whole kind of thing about the kitchen box. I will link again the website below in the description box, so you can go and click on that and read up all the information on what the Lush description box is. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm just very excited to jump in. I'm hoping there is a few things that I did vote for. This time around, I usually can never remember what I vote for the next box. But with this one, I vaguely remember what I actually voted for, and I'm praying, fingers crossed, I get what I want. Because it's Christmas. My Christmas wishes deserve to come true. So, yes. So I'm just waving my scissors around, so if you want to be nosy and you're here to see what's actually in it, just carry on watching. So it is, as you can see right next to me, it is in the classic green. I actually love the colour, not gonna lie. It seems appropriately festive this month with the green. I associate green with trees and stuff. Christmas, I literally don't know what I'm saying. And I'm trying to open this up. I got it. Ooh, okay. I love it when I do a cute little phrase or a graphic. And they have put Happy Holidays on the box. I smell something with cinnamon in. That's the smell I'm getting from this box, and it's making me so excited because cinnamon is one of my favourite ingredients in a Lush product. So very excited. This is actually the cheat sheet. So we are going to put this aside and look at it at the end. And I see a black pot right on the top, and we're just going to look at that. Ooh. We have a hand cream, like an actual hand cream. Usually we always get a body lotion, but I have too many body lotions, so it's nice to actually have something I can carry with me in my bag, because I'm constantly washing my hands, especially at work all the time. My hands are always in water. If you didn't know, I am actually a Lush employee, so I'm constantly washing my hands. And it would be nice to have an actual Lush hand cream with me. So this one is called Smitten, and it says soothing chamomile and marigold infusions mark the beginning of your long-term relationship with softer hands. I love that description. And ooh, this is a very kind of a rich looking one. Oh my god. Oh my, okay, what's in this? Chamomile, marigold, rose, avocado, cocoa butter, coconut oil, cassie, absolute. I swear this is snow cake. Guys, my Christmas wishes are coming true. I swear, on my life. This is snow cake. I have a snow cake scented hand cream. Snow cake is like literally one of my favourite Lush scents ever for Christmas. Ooh. That's exciting. I'm going to have to put this on the side and try it now. This is so exciting! And it's a good size as well. I might even double this up as a body lotion. I was got it, we didn't get Snow Cake Shower Gel in the box last month, but I'm very happy with this decision. Yeah, it's Snow Cake. It's Snow Cake. I usually don't go for hand creams in Lush because I do find them a bit rich. But this, they formulated this quite well actually. It's a little bit tacky, but it sunk really easily. Oh, it's such a nice smell as well. I'm actually so happy with that. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I see another pot, but I also see a bottle. I think I might go for the other pot first. Let's see what this is. I love Lush. I feel I'm gonna cry with happiness. Because last month in the box they put It's Very Exciting, and I thought there's going to be a Snow Fairy exclusive product in there. I think they might have listened to us complaining, and they've given us Snow Fairy body scrub. A Snow Fairy frickin', I nearly swore. Snow Fairy frickin' body scrub. Ready for sweet candy floss scented buffing to lift you onto cloud. I'm so happy. This is the best Christmas present to myself ever. Like, past me, thank you for subscribing to this box. And it's like, it's so pink. It's so pink. I love it. I love it. Oh, I literally just bought a fresh bottle of Snow Fairy shower gel because I used my other one already. That's how obsessed I am. I'm so basic. Like I said in the last unboxing, Snow Fairy is like Marmite. You either love it or hate it. And I'm one of those people that absolutely cannot get enough of it. Like, I'm sweet toothed through and through. I'm honestly so happy with the first two products. Okay. Don't let me down on the next one. Okay, Lush. Right, I'm going to go with the shower gel. Because there's always a shower gel in here. There's always 250 gram shower gel. And okay, this is the best day ever. This is my favourite scent from Lush that they haven't done in years. It's Hot Toddy. Beautiful. It's not like Glog from last month's book. Glog is much more spicier. This one's more of a sweet spicy. This is amazing. So this says, this spicy winter tonic is sure to turn up the heat and raise the spirits. And it's this really pretty red. I love it. And you've got cinnamon leaf, clove leaf oil, lime oil, orange oil, patchouli, carrageenan, aloe vera, and fresh ginger root infusion. So I suppose if you do love ginger shower gel from Mother's Day, you might like this. I'm so happy. There's a massive bath bomb. We've done 3 products. I presume this is the last 2. This is so pretty. Okay, it's a bit stained from the bubble bar that's next to it, but oh, that is quite nice. That's kind of citrusy. That I would buy a million times over if this was in an actual shop. You've got these kind of like really pretty stars on top of the Lush logo. And it's this really pretty kind of purpley pink. I actually really like that. I might use it tonight for my like weekly bath. I'm not saying I wash myself once a week. I'm just saying that to save water, I limit myself to a bath a week. And the rest of the days, I just have quick showers. So this would be nice. Oh my god. I'm so happy. And the last product is my favourite bubble bar. This is, honestly, hands down, Lush. I ended the Lush Kitchen subscription box 2020 series on a high. Like, they are listening to us. This is what I could smell. Christmas Eve bubble bar. I already know what it's called because it came out, I think, the year before last, 2018. And I fell in love with it. I bought like 2, 3. And it's just really comforting and sweet. But not super sweet like Snow Fairy. It's just quite florally sweet. And it's just this really pretty moon and a star. It's supposed to look like the night sky on Christmas Eve. And I just love it. And a crumb went down my sleeve. What the heck? Have a pretty little close-up. I mean, I might be very traditional and save this for the day of its namesake, Christmassy. So I'm so happy with this box. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is all the products in this box, and I have no words. I'm actually so happy. They have, let's look at the cheat sheet. So we have the menu, December 2020, issue number 7. So, community favourite, Snow Fairy Body Scrub, Jingle Spells Bath Bomb. I remember voting for this. Oh, that is amazing. I love it. Smitten Hand Cream, community favourite again, Hot Toddy Shower Gel, and Christmas Eve Bubble Bath. So, we have in Jingle Spells, Tangerine, Juniper Berry, Fennel Oil, and Lang Lang. That's why it's kind of like sweet and floral. That is such a nice bath bomb. Literally, Lush, if you're watching this or you see any of my Instagram posts on my Lush account, which is @LushYay, follow me here, then do bring it out for 2020, please. And then Christmas Eve, Jasmine Absolute Irish Moss Powder, ooh, Lang Lang and Gardenia Extract. So yeah, that is December. Happy holidays of the Lush Kitchen box. I have no words. I'm actually so happy. Like, throwing it out there, it's £38 a month. That is quite pricey, but when you get products like this, it makes it worth it because you actually have really nice exclusive to enjoy that you cannot buy separately or anywhere else. So it's totally worth the money. If you guys did enjoy this little unboxing and you're very persuaded to subscribe for next year, 2021, then do let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell below to get updates when I next upload a video. From here on out, this channel will be very festive. Like I said in my last video, which I decorated my room, as you can see. Watch me do my tree. So obviously I'm not going to do Vlogmas this year, but I will be doing little festive videos. Might do a festive makeup video, I'm not sure. But anyway, if you did enjoy this, then do stick around for future unboxings every single month. So yeah, have a lovely rest of your weekend and have a lovely December. And I will see you guys very soon. Goodbye!